Welding is not just for professionals working in the manufacturing industry. It is also a great hobby for anyone who wants to repair or build things for fun and recreation. Welding projects can help welders of any skill level improve their knowledge and understanding of techniques, fundamentals, and skills. Whether you are just getting started or have been welding for quite some time, there are several welding projects that you can do. As a beginner welder, you're no doubt anxious to take the skills you've gained and start putting them to use on a cool project. But finding welding projects for beginners, ones that are interesting and challenging but not too advanced, can be a little tricky. You don't want something that's straight up boring and impractical, and you don't want something that is also so advanced that you'll give up before you're done. You have to find projects that hit the sweet spot. We totally understand. So to help you out, we have put together this video which contains some of the best welding projects for beginners. What are you waiting for? Grab your tools and grab your safety gear and get to work. Hello reviewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you simple welding projects you can do as a beginner welder. This video contains a collection of beautiful and practical metal welding project ideas you can tackle at home. You can even turn these plans or designs into a lucrative small-scale manufacturing business with a small initial investment on basic tools and materials. So we advise you to watch the video until the end to never miss a thing and choose an inspiring project for your next welding adventure. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to our channel and smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. If you're already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. Welding is more than the industrial applications we associate with it. Welding is a lot of fun, and what's more, it could also improve your daily life. Welding also provides you with a means of increasing your income, especially if you sell your projects. Welding is a fabrication process that joins materials, usually metals, by using high heat to melt the parts together and allowing them to cool, causing fusion. Welding is distinct from lower temperature metal joining techniques such as brazing and soldering, which don't melt the base metal. In addition to melting the base metal, a filler material is typically added to the joints to form a pool of molten material, or the weld pool, that cools to form a joint that, based on weld, can be stronger than the base material or the parent material. Pressure may also be used in conjunction with heat or by itself to produce a weld. Welding also requires a form of shield to protect the filler material, the filler metals or melted metals, from being contaminated or oxidized. Many different energy sources can be used for welding, including a gas flame, which is chemical, an electric arc, which is electrical, a laser, an electron beam, friction, and ultrasound. While often an industrial process, welding may be performed in many different environments, including in open air, underwater, and in outer space. Welding is a hazardous undertaking, and precautions are required to avoid burns, electric shock, vision damage, inhalation of poisonous gases and fumes, and exposure to intense ultraviolet radiation. Until the end of the 19th century, the only welding process was forge welding, which blacksmiths had used for millennia to join iron and steel by heating and hammering. Arc welding and oxy-fuel welding were among the first processes to develop late in the century, and electric resistance welding followed soon after. Welding technology advanced quickly during the early 20th century as world wars drove the demand for reliable and inexpensive joining